Hi Stacy, it's Dr. Buford with mid-semester shoulder. We're just getting started on your right shoulder. We're looking in from the back to the front of the camera. Everything that you see is magnified 30 or 40 times on the screen. We're just putting in a shaver here. Are you zoomed in? No. And we're just cleaning up a little bit at the labrum here. As you look at the biceps anchor here, we can see a little bit of fraying, but it's not that bad. As we pull on the biceps, that looks pretty stable actually. We'll look up above, and this is where the rotator cuff is torn, right in here. So we'll use our same shaver just to smooth out a little bit and remove some of this torn tissue. Here's the hole in the tendon right here at the top of the screen. So we'll look down around the rest of the joint now. You can see a little bit of wear and tear. A little bit of wear and tear changes on the humeral head here. And the anatomy in the back of the shoulder looks pretty good. Pretty much done inside the joint. Rotating into the 2 o'clock. Pause, please. The hole in the tendon, you can see it's an anterior tear. We can see that because there's the biceps below. Here's the hole in the rotator cuff. We'll stay in the space here and make a little nick in the skin. That's where we're going to place our suture anchor right there. Now the next thing you're going to see is a little punch to make a little mark in the bone where we want to place our suture anchor. We'll place that right about here. Okay. So that's where our screw is going to go. You'll see this titanium metal screw coming down next. There it is. We'll start it in the same hole. Press that on, please. Just always reach in, make sure there's no bone chips. Okay, good. And so next we'll unload the screwdriver. And you'll see 3 different colored sutures. There's a white one, a blue one, and a black one. We're going to spread them apart here so we can decide which ones we're going to work with first. There you go. So it's black, white, blue. When we say black, we mean black and white striped, and obviously the blue is blue and white striped. So we'll take the black one first here. Okay. And then next we're going to take our suturing instrument. It's called a suture hook. There it is right here. Reach in, make sure we get the deep layer of this tendon here. So that's it. Show you right here. So we'll put this through down, about like that. And then outside your shoulder, we're going to go ahead and load that. As you pull back slowly, you see how it brings that stitch with it. Pull the cannula into the back, please. And there it is coming out there. Next we'll take our crochet hook and pull this tight first. Okay. And next we'll take our crochet hook and we'll take out the other black suture here. Like that. Pull tight on these, pull tight on all those. Okay. And now we want to do the white one next. Just to save ourselves a step, we're going to take up the white suture here. Okay. And then we're going to reach in from the front and take out the other white suture here like that. Okay, and so now it's time for stitch number 2. Here's our hook. Now we're going to reach in here and get this. We're going to pull it down like that. Okay. There it is going underneath. Okay, and just like we did before, we're going to load that with that white suture. Pull tight. And as we pull back, there you can see how it brings that white suture through right there. Okay, so that's 2 out of 3. And then to do the third one, we're going to put the cannula back in posterior. So there it is coming in. We'll take our crochet hook and take out this stitch right here. Biceps. Looks good there. We'll show you some more in a minute. Pause, please. Okay, so now we're getting ready to pull this back. There, pull tightly, and now we're just going to organize all our sutures. So here's the other blue and white suture. We'd like to get all of them at this point. So there's one more suture in the front we need to get, that one here. Okay, and so now we're going to work from the back to tie them. So we're going to get the blue, or rather, I'm sorry, the black and white striped suture here. Here's the partner. And we'll go ahead and tie this first knot. We'll run the video and show you this. snugs down that cut. We'll get to that. One more ½ inch and then we'll cut this suture. Okay. And then after we cut this one, it's going to be time to do the next one in line. So the next one in line, I believe, is the white one. So we'll take this one here. And then we want the other limb. Looks like we want it. Sorry? No? We'll tie it on the blue line. Yep, so we'll take it this way. Okay, so we'll tie this and show you some more in a little bit. Pause, please. Okay, so we're all done. It looks very good. We've got all 3 sutures tied. You can see the final blue and white one at the front. As we rotate everything, looks like it's moving together as a unit. So we're going to finish up. We'll make one little hole in the bone with the punch, please. And then we're going to make sure our decompression looks good. So there you can see the top of the screen. We're going to go work on the clavicle a little bit in just a minute. But this is the main part of the surgery that I wanted to show you on the videotape. So I really hope this does the trick for you, okay? Good luck to you now. Let me take a little mallet. This is just to help this heal a little bit better, get a little bit more bone marrow and blood supply to the area. So good luck to you now, okay? Bye-bye.